All right, just got a little quick update here, actually. We talked about this bank, this certain trust, something or another bank in China due to default by the end of January, which is right now. Technically, this is February 1st. This thing is called, I mean, it was a trust. It was called, the name that they gave this thing a while back was something like gold equals something. What is it called? It was a 490 million investment product, roughly translated as credit equals gold number one. That was the name of the product that this bank created. And it says the product was issued 3 years ago by China Credit Trust, which is CCT, one of the country's biggest trust companies. Lenders that are not licensed to raise deposits. So the bottom line is, it looks like someone has bailed this company out. It says, in the event the moment passed, an unnamed third party stepped forward to buy an equity stake in the underlying venture, which won a valuable mining license just in time to sweeten the deal. The original investors suffered only a modest loss. So he says, does this bailout represent a dangerous precedent? Perhaps not. The government's role, if any, is unclear. Moreover, this company, credit equals gold number one, was exceptional, argues Mr. Bedford. The borrower, Zenfu, ran into trouble almost at once. It failed to obtain mining licenses, and then its owner was arrested for illegal fundraising. The borrower was ill-chosen, but who chose it? The assumption has been that CCT identified the project and assessed its risks, with the ICBC acting merely as a distribution channel. Bottom line is, this looks like they just averted the disaster so far. This was supposed to cause a little bit of a chain reaction. People would have gotten nervous when that happened. Investors would have took a big loss, huge loss, and that would have just trickled on to other things, other similar types of trusts or whatever. Like this thing, what was it? Credit equals gold number one. I guess it was some kind of mining venture, or that's what it was backing, but or it was going to be backed by the mining if they could get the licenses. I guess they couldn't get the licenses, so that was spelling out disaster across the world. This thing's going to default. It's going to cause a chain reaction. I told you about this a few days ago, maybe a week ago, whatever it was. And apparently at the last minute, someone has come in and bailed this thing out, and it's an unnamed third party. We don't know who it is. The question is, was it the government, so that this chain of events didn't take place of other companies starting to get hit? Because if you've noticed, the last 2 weeks or so, our stock market has been shedding points downwards constantly. I mean, it's almost down like 1,000 points, I think, from the high. So, the Dow Jones anyways. So I just gave you a little quick update. That's it. I've responded to a few people on YouTube that have asked me some questions. And that's about it. So, little quick Saturday night update for you. Take care.